Unlock the door. We're gonna break the window.
You're gonna break my window for me not doing anything wrong.
Unlock the door.
All we want is your documents, man.
For what? My documents? Is this Nazi Germany? What crime have I committed?
Under the TSA, you need to identify yourself, and you're.
If I'm suspected of a crime.
Nope.
Yes, it is. I know the law.
Go ahead and step out of the car. Unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant right now. I'm not locking my door. What are you talking about?
Unlock.
Call a sergeant.
In a tense Calgary traffic encounter, Dwight Domino, a man peacefully parked and waiting for his daughter, found himself surrounded by multiple police vehicles simply because his car's registration was under a female name. Despite no traffic violation, no report of theft, and the engine off, officers demanded his identification, escalating to threats of smashing his window when he questioned their authority. Everyone has the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure, as protected under Section 8 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Domino calmly asserted his rights, repeatedly asking for the suspected crime and demanding a sergeant, while citing the Charter's protections against arbitrary detention and self-incrimination.
You want to roll down your window, sir?
Nah, I can hear you. What's up?
Okay, well, Constable Lang with Calgary Police, the reason why we're stopping you is because the vehicle's registered to a female and you're obviously a male, so can I see your driver's license?
Nah, man, it's not. Is the report stolen?
Can I see your driver's
No, you don't run things here. You work for me until I break the law, mister. So I'm going to ask you again, is the car reported stolen?
No, but
okay, well then there's no reasonable articulate suspicion.
Actually, let me explain something to you, sir. Because the vehicle's registered to a female...
It doesn't matter.
Can I speak, or...
Well, you can say whatever. You can cop-explain all you want, but...
You're a male, which means you need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
No, I don't.
Arrest you.
Yeah, okay, then you can arrest me because I've done nothing wrong.
Go ahead and step out of the car. Unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant right now. I'm not locking my door. What are you talking about?
Unlock.
Call a sergeant.
1439. He's refusing to open the door. We're going to have to place him on...
Call a sergeant. I haven't done anything wrong. What the fuck are you talking about?
Unlock the door.
What crime have I committed?
Under the TSA, you need to identify yourself, and you're...
If I'm suspected of a crime.
Nope.
Yes, it is. I know the law.
Unlock the door. We're going to break the window.
You're going to break my window for me not doing anything wrong.
Unlock the door,
All we
sir.
want is your documents, man.
For what? My documents? Is this Nazi Germany?
Hold on, what's...
Is this Nazi Germany?
No, this is not Nazi.
You guys are live on YouTube. Okay, you're live on YouTube, just so you know.
If you're
Perfect.
not going to produce your ID, then what's your name?
I can produce my ID, but I haven't done anything wrong. That's what I'm trying to talk to you, but this guy's escalating
Do
it.
you understand what he's asking?
He's saying he's gonna break my window because I've done nothing wrong, because this car is registered, he's saying, to a female. So what?
So we're allowed doing a check on documents because it's not registered.
Okay, call the female it's registered to then. I'm not gonna help you with your investigation.
So we need to ID you to see who you are.
What does that matter? How is me, okay, if the car is registered to a female, right? How is my license or my ID gonna tell you who I am? Like, how is that gonna help the situation?
Under the Traffic Safety Act, you have to identify yourself.
If I'm lawfully pulled over. I've already been to court for this. So you're gonna lose your badge. What's your name and badge number?
I'm not worried about it. I've already...
Perfect, okay. No, you didn't. S.
What's your name?
Lagine.
Yep. You got
S. Lagine
What's
is
your
a
name?
tyrant,
What's your
thug.
name?
My name, I'll give you my first name.
Sure.
Okay. What? Look at him put on his gloves. I haven't done anything wrong. This is how you guys treat the public? I've done nothing wrong.
I'm giving you another chance here.
Another chance? He's putting on his gloves to intimidate me. Look at this.
What's your name?
My name is Dwight.
Dwight? D-W-I-G-H-T?
Yeah.
What's your last name, Dwight?
Sir, I'm asking, why are you doing this to me? I haven't committed a crime.
We've explained it multiple
So you guys are gonna, okay, under duress, I'm gonna give you my last name under duress because he's threatening me, putting on gloves. Yes, he is, putting on gloves, threatening me, telling me he's gonna break my window. This cupcake right here said he's gonna break my window.
So what's your last name?
Domino.
Spell it for me, please.
Just like dominoes.
Okay. Domino. What's your date of birth, man?
But I don't understand why you're putting me in the system. I haven't done anything wrong.
Are you 30, roughly?
Yeah, but I haven't done anything wrong, so why are you putting me in the system?
I've already explained it.
Shut up, you didn't explain nothing. You said you're gonna break my window because the vehicle is registered to a
You
woman.
need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
Yeah, if I'm lawfully pulled over, I understand that.
Pulled over.
I'm not pulled over, I'm parked. My car is off, I am parked.
Right there with
I am parked. I have dash cam in the front and the back of my car. I have dash cam, you loser. You're a tyrant. You're shitty at your job. That's why you'll never have stripes. Yeah, okay, cupcake.
Actually, that's not how stripes work.
Okay, cupcake. Whatever you want to say. You're not for the people. You're for profit. You're a loser. Look at you. You're a straight up loser. Look at that. Tyrant comes over here and tries to bully me into my ID because he thinks he's in Nazi Germany. Look at this racist cop.
Not Nazi Germany, here in Canada.
Yeah, look at this racist cop, eh?
Canada.
Shut up, you racist. You're a racist. profiling me. I'm gonna watch the complaint I make on you, bro. Don't worry about it.
It's fine.
Okay, it is fine.
Absolutely fine.
Perfect. Ask Andrew A. Smith what happened to him when he with me for no reason. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you and that loser.
Yeah.
So now that I know that you know him, this is conspiring with him, to with me.
Yep.
Perfect. Look at this loser. He just admitted that he's pulling me over because he knows Andrew A. Smith. So this is retaliation stop. Wow, I can't wait till the judge sees this.
Does he have a beer?
Yeah, what you gonna do?
By yourself or not?
I already did to your other officer. I'm not talking to you. Well, I want a sergeant here.
Sergeants are busy, sorry.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. Then you can't unlawfully pull me over. You didn't pull me over. I'm parked. I am parked here. You're a loser.
Lawful traffic stop.
Lawful traffic stop. There is no lawful traffic stop. What are you talking about?
Gave us his name, not even a date of birth.
I gave him my name, you fucking liar. Look at this guy lie to escalate the situation. Look at this cupcake. Andrew A. Smith Jr. Look at this cupcake. Can't even read his badge. S-L-A-N-G-E-N.
Yep.
Tyrant. Thug. Out here. Thugging. Mean bugging people for no reason. What a... What a... Puts on his gloves. Yo, take off that badge and see what it do, man. Take off that badge, you think you're so tough. Now put those gloves on.
I can't hear you over there.
Yeah, see what you do when you take off that badge. Look at this punk. I have a license. This guy pulled me over unlawfully. What are you talking about?
Failing to produce insurance, identification.
I want a sergeant and I'll produce all of that.
Sergeants are busy, sorry.
No, you can't unlawfully pull me over for no reason and then tell me you're going to give me tickets when I'm complying with everything that you fucking said.
You're not actually.
Yeah, I have not done anything wrong.
White.
You want I give you my ID, no problem. But this guy, I'm not dealing with him. He's a fucking tyrant. He's aggressive.
So pass me your ID.
Okay, can you just calmly? Why are you pulling me over, sir? I'm not even pulled over. I'm parked in a parking stall. I'm not absolutely doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
And he's putting on his gloves, telling me he's gonna break my window and threatening to arrest me when I've absolutely done nothing wrong. So how is that even fair? Is that your kids are gonna see this, and that's the kind of policing you want them to see you doing? You're proud of that?
Are you asking me a question? Or
Yes, sir. I'm asking you a question. When someone's absolutely doing nothing wrong, sitting in their car, and then you guys pull up like this, putting on gloves and threatening
So
people.
we issued the traffic stop.
No, there was no. I'm parked.
I know, but this is a traffic stop. You're in the vehicle.
But I'm parked. My car's off.
Can you hear me out?
Yes, sir.
So we ran the plate, and it came back as the registered owner, as a female registered owner.
Okay, but it's not reported
So
stolen.
It's up to us.
My charter protects me against reasonable searches and seizures.
I'm trying to help you understand here. Okay? So under the TSA, we're supposed to be checking documents to make sure that you have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance. And we can contact the RO after all of that. But under the TSA, you need to identify yourself.
Okay, also in the Charter of Rights, it tells me that I am protected under the Charter against discrimination, unlawful searches and seizures. I understand.
Arrested for
the Police
providing
Act.
your driver's license.
No, I gave you my name and stuff. Can I reach for it? Under duress.
As officers boxed in Domino's parked vehicle with flashing lights and aggressive demands, one threatened to break the window solely for refusing ID, while others donned gloves for intimidation, all over a gender mismatch on registration with no evidence of wrongdoing. On a demand made by a peace officer, a driver shall produce the operator's license and any required insurance and registration documents. But this applies under lawful traffic safety enforcement, per Alberta's Traffic Safety Act provisions, requiring valid grounds for document checks during operations or stops. Domino challenged this repeatedly. The car wasn't stolen, he wasn't driving, and no offense justified the siege-like response. He invoked past court experiences and labeled the actions as tyrannical, even comparing them to historical overreach, while recording everything. The arrival of more units and shouted commands underscored the intimidation, yet Domino held firm, providing verbal identification under duress only after threats, proving that unchecked police escalation crumbles against a driver who knows the limits of their authority.
Yeah, that's a secondary charge. That's a secondary charge, stupid.
Are you going to pass me your ID like you said?
Am I allowed to reach for it?
Yeah, reach for it, man. I'm
You can't, but I'm just letting you know, you can't, you guys are threatening with arrest, threatening to break my window, and threaten bodily harm on me. So under duress, I'm gonna provide it, but I'm going, what's your name back, and just hold for the record so I can go file a complaint after, please.
Constable Jans 5918.
Constable Jans,
5918.
5918.
J-A-N-S.
And what's, okay, and what's the guy that threatened me?
Pass me your ID and we'll chat.
No. That, you work for me until I break the law. You got it backwards. You guys are fucking corrupt.
So pass me.
This is why I have no respect for you guys. You pieces of shit, man.
Listen, Dwight.
Don't tell me to listen.
Because
I'm reaching in my pocket. Do not shoot me. I'm reaching in my pocket.
No one's reaching for anything here. Go ahead.
I know I'm reaching in my pocket. I need to get my ID.
Grab your ID.
You, man. Piece of shit. You piece of shit.
Thank you, Dwight.
Pussy boy. No, look at, smile all you want to. Smile. Look at this guy. He thinks he's so tough, man.
Dwight, look at me.
I'm not looking. Don't tell me where to look. I'm looking at this guy. You're looking at my car.
You pass me the registration insurance, please, Dwight?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you very much.
Look at this guy. You guys are just mean mugging right now. Thugs, man.
You're also parked.
Look, my daughter. They're fucking with me. That's my daughter. You fucking guys are losers. Look at the losers. Fuck the police, man.
You focus and pass me.
The police, man. The racist pieces of shit, man. Look at that. Got my daughter hemmed up now. Fucking losers,
I
man.
appreciate you grabbing your documents there, Dwight.
Fucking losers, man. Surrounding my car, threatening to break my window.
Yeah, nothing came up criminally.
No shit, because I'm not a criminal. What are you talking about? Look at this piece of shit. Look at this thug, man. Look at this piece of shit. Look at this garbage. What do you need?
I need the registration, yeah. And the insurance to the vehicle, please. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so now that you guys are trying to look for a warrant on me and I don't have one, are you gonna let me fucking go? Or are you guys gonna try to hem me up and give me some tickets for no fucking reason?
Just sit tight, alright, man?
Yo, just sit tight, man. You guys are crooked cops, man.
So parked in a handicap zone.
Yeah, look, motherfucker, does this look like a handicap sticker, stupid? Okay, motherfucker, it is already up then. What are you talking about?
My apologies, I never saw that.
Okay, motherfucker, so then you still don't have a fucking reason. You guys are pieces of shit, man. I got shit to do. Look at these garbage. Laughing. It's funny that he's violating my charter right now, guys. He thinks it's funny that he's violating my charter. Look at this loser, man. He thinks it's funny. Don't fucking answer them, Neff. Don't talk to these fucking losers. Fucking pieces of shit garbage. Don't talk to my fucking kid. You guys are losers. This is why I don't respect police. You guys are fucking losers. What did I do? Nothing.
You're up to...
But what did I do? Okay,
How'd your own opinion?
fine. I'll start over. What did I do? Why do I have police surrounding me, putting lights in my fucking face? This guy threatening because the car's registered to a female?
Yeah.
There's no crime that's not reported stolen. There's nothing absolutely wrong with it being registered to a female. You're completely wrong.
Are you a female?
It doesn't matter. I can identify as a female.
Sure.
Okay, so now you're being a fucking bigot?
Does it say that on your identification?
Yeah, it might just say that on my identification. Fucking loser, man. So fucking embarrass me in my own community all the time, man. I didn't do nothing, no criminal history. I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm parked waiting for my kid, and they threatened to break my window.
I appreciate your cooperation.
You threatened to break my window, put your gloves on like I'm a fucking thug, like I did something wrong. I'm not out here fucking thugging. I work every day not to be treated by you fucking losers like this.
Well, look how you're acting, man.
You pulled me over for no reason, put lights in my face.
I talked to you politely the entire time.
Fuck you, man. Good cop, bad cop. You can suck a dick too, man.
Yeah.
I didn't do shit. This is fucking bad policing.
Yeah.
Fucking racist pieces of garbage, man. I absolutely did nothing wrong but wait for my daughter to get here and then get harassed by the police.
You ready for me to talk here? Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your documents. Everything checks out.
No shit, man. You didn't have reasonable cause for anything.
Here's your registration, your insurance.
Can I please have my ID back? Because last time they didn't give it back to me.
Enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate the time in our...
Okay, you're dismissed now. Get the fuck out of here. Get back to work, loser. Yo, you pussies are dismissed. Get back to work. Get back to work, pussies. Yo, pussy boy, get back to work, man. Open it, baby. Open it. open it. Ask him if he has a bottle opener. Yo, ask this little piggy if he has a bottle opener. You have a bottle opener, buddy?
I do, yeah. Do you want it?
Yeah, please.
Bro, look.
Actually, no, it's warm right now. I don't want it.
What's up?
You want it?
No.
Well, I'll open it for you.
No, that's okay, Piggy.
Sure?
Yeah, no problem, Piggy.
Right.
What's your name and badge number, just so I can make a report that you were a witness to this here?
Yeah, of course. It's Constable Humphrey.
Constable Humphrey.
Do you want me to spell it for you?
Yes, please.
H-U-M.
Yes, please.
F-R.
Yep.
E-Y.
Yep.
Do you want my badge number?
Yes, please.
It's 5207.
5207?
That's what I said.
Okay, and why are you guys out here mean mugging and thugging on people that ain't committing crimes? Is all the crime in Calgary solved that you guys can't go mess with a criminal?
I guess so.
You guess so?
Yeah.
I'm glad you have a personality when you violate my charter. So, you guys have violated my charter today.
How did I violate your charter?
You and your gang members did, and I will be filing a complaint. Where's your precinct, please, so I can go to?
How did I violate your charter?
You were a witness. You were a witness to my charter. Me unreasonable searches and seizures, threatening to break my window, threatening bodily harm on me, for absolutely no reason. I absolutely did nothing wrong.
Perfect. Okay, no, that means.
Which detachment? Which detachment?
That helps me understand.
Which detachment can I go
Search
to?
and seizure is what you said. So that's
No, that's part of it. That's part of it. I'm allowed to be secure. Yes, yes. And number eight, I can just be secure in my persons and in my property and papers.
Okay.
You guys violated that today, and I'm wondering which precinct are you guys out of, so I can go down and file the proper complaint.
Calgary Police Service. Reach out to the professional standards section.
Okay.
If you go on the Calgary Police Service.
So you're not gonna tell me which detachment you're from? Are you from District 4, District 2?
There's no such thing as a detachment in Calgary. But you
There's District 4, there's District 2. What are you talking about?
reach out to the Calgary Police Service
Wow, look at
professional
it.
standards section. You can go on their website. They have a complaints button. You click the complaints.
Yo, can you
fill out
pigs
the
get
form.
out of the way so I can leave?
And then that's how you fill out a complaint.
Perfect. I will be doing that. Thank you. Can you tell your soldiers your little
I'm not gonna close the door on you. You can close it yourself just so I don't hit you. Okay?
yo thugs, pigs, move the out of the way, please. Get out of the way.
After prolonged harassment, including shining lights in his face and involving his daughter, Domino complied minimally under duress, handing over documents while decrying the violation of his freedoms. Everyone has the right, on arrest or detention, to be informed promptly of the reasons therefore. Under Section 10 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, a point Domino echoed by demanding the crime suspected and a supervising sergeant. Checks revealed no warrants or issues, forcing officers to return his items and depart without tickets or arrests. Admitting defeat through silence, Domino's unyielding stance, armed with charter awareness and calm defiance against insults and threats, exposed the stop as baseless retaliation and bias. This victory shows that when a smart driver stands up to power-tripping cops refusing to bow to intimidation without lawful cause, the system bends. Officers retreat, rights prevail, and citizens remind authorities they serve the public, not rule it. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video, click to watch now.